Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your camera on ameTV on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to turn on your camera like this on your ameTV on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, it is working right now on my iPhone. So guys, you have to simply watch this video to turn on your camera on ameTV. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open App Store and search for ameTV and download and install the latest version, and then open it and check whether the camera is working right now or not. And if it is still not working, then go back and now you have to simply open your browser and then you have to simply log in your account of ameTV on your iPhone from browser. So guys, here you can see this, and from here you can see a button for camera. So guys, from here you can easily turn on or turn off camera on ameTV from here. So guys, you can see this, it is working right now. So guys, in this way you can also turn on the camera on ameTV on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.